Hey everybody, Brian back with you at Strong Tower, and today I'm bringing you a mountain climber variation. We're going to use a resistance band in this case, and this is part of our Locomotion Month series. So if you are wearing a step tracker, pedometer, Apple Watch, Fitbit, you might want to put it around your ankle for this movement to maximize that step count. So it is a challenging movement, so worthy of getting some steps in. I absolutely believe that. By the way, I'm a Z-Health movement specialist and a functional aging specialist. So for this one, when we attach the band around the waist, it is going to be around the waistline, really around the pelvis. We want to bring the attachment point up a little bit higher. It's going to set up a little bit nicer as we get into that mountain climber. So again, around the pelvis, and we're getting first into our plank or push-up position. And then from there, I am knee driving up, bringing my knees up towards my hands. I want to keep a nice tall posture and a slight tuck in the pelvis on these. That's the slow version, so we can go at that tempo if you're comfortable with that. And then of course we can also speed it up and run the knees up a little bit faster, which would look something more like this. So driving, knees up and in, and we are going to be incorporating this into one of the Facebook Live workouts in the private Facebook group, so you can look forward to that, practice it a little bit today. That is the banded mountain climber, and looking forward to bringing you more in our Locomotion Month series. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.